Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair Sennheiser CX Plus with any Android device. So in this video I'm going to use the Android phone, and first of all we have to remove both earbuds from this charging case. Next we have to click and hold these touchpads until these indicators right here starts blinking red and blue. Just like that. Right now we can release that touchpads and put these earbuds close to our device. Next we have to go to the Bluetooth settings, select to pair new device, and as you can see we can find them for the available devices list, so select them, accept pairing request. As you can see right now they are synchronized and connected. And next we have to open the Play Store to get this Sennheiser application. We have to download Sennheiser Smart Control. Right now we can open this application and accept these terms and the conditions and other permission. Here we can swipe with our finger, click continue right here and allow notifications. As you can see right now our earbuds are detected with the application. We have to click pair. As you can see it was very simple because we previously connect them by using the standard Bluetooth settings. Here we can find this few setup steps, and here we are in the Sennheiser application. So right now you are able to use additional features like for example the noise cancellation or sound equalizer. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.